Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to join a public Discord server. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to join a public Discord server, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Discord application. Then once you're inside there, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged in, make sure you are on your home screen of the Discord app, and then once you're there, what you need to do is tap on the plus icon on the left hand side of the screen, and then once inside you'll be seeing the option that says create your server, and on the bottom you'll be seeing the option that says join a server. In order to join a public server, simply tap on join a server, and here what you need to do is public servers often share invite links on websites, social media or Discord. All you gotta do is copy that link and then paste it here, and then simply tap on join with invite link. Then once done, paste the link into the box, and then once done, all you gotta do is wait for the server to approve your invitation, and once done you'll be able to join a public server. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.